What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom
with
Offsets.
Junior.
Yeah, Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We're just gonna throw in all the intros here.
With MOTIV.
We're standing outside
at
the
SEMA
MOTIV
2019.
booth. SEMA 2019.
Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube.
It's been a long day. Here are the new wheels, all right?
Oh, man.
So jumping into it, we got the Millennium. The two finishes that we're making are up here, but there's a couple different options as you go down. They always like to bring new and exciting stuff to SEMA, kind of test the market, test the waters, see what people think. So we saw MOTIV last year. Some of their older styles are on the bottom, and they had a very luxurious, but also slightly off-road look to them. This year, I think they're going a little bit away from that. It's not quite the same. Still very luxury, especially the sizes they're offering. Yeah. A lot of the 10 wide stuff.
I see this one being a little more luxury, and the other one being a little more just like a normal truck wheel,
right,
in my opinion. But sizes on these bad boys are kind of all over the place. So you got a 17x9 for your smaller styles. And then you got 20x9, 20x10, 20x12, and then 22x10. And I feel like that 2210 is more like for your...
It's gonna be your Tahoe, your Suburban.
Exactly.
You know, stuff like that. Maybe
big
not
wheeled,
necessarily
not wide.
lifted.
Yep.
Yeah, just enough that you can tuck them under there.
Yeah.
Have a nice aggressive fitment, but not necessarily stand out and have this big giant stance look.
Yeah, but at the same time, the smaller sizes I think will look good on a lot of your off-road setups as well.
Yeah, these two are they have that directional look to them. They're just a slight twist. It's almost as if you put it in square and then just turn the center cap a little bit, and it kind of drags the spokes over a bit.
Weird analogy, but it works.
Hey, it does. Also, I do like how it almost looks like it wants to be like a floating spoke wheel, because the milling, or the machining I should say, doesn't go all the way to the edge, so you have a little bit of space in here.
Yep.
And then the MOTIV and the off-road is actually raised up rather than milled in. So kind of a unique style there, as well as on the rim of this wheel, it has this indent on it too. So just something different that's not the same as everybody else that's doing. Cool to see MOTIV doing some new stuff there.
And then MOTIV is also your entry-level price point as well. So when you're looking at these wheels, they're going to be more affordable. They're going to be in more of your conservative sizes, not quite your large 24, 14 sizes, because they kind of keep it more budget friendly, I'd say.
But they still do a really good job of the finish quality, the paint quality and stuff. It doesn't, nothing is taken away from MOTIV wheels, even though they are a more affordable brand.
Yep.
Jumping over here, we have the Morph, which, like Jared was saying, this is kind of more of your traditional truck style wheel. These are the two finishes they're doing it in. Thought about all black, not gonna do all black. A couple other ones down here too, like I mentioned before, with different tint options in the blue and the red.
Sizes.
Jared, did you look at sizes?
I have sizes here because I'm horrible at remembering, and it's SEMA and it's late and I'm tired. But we got 20x9, 20x10, 22x10, 22x12, and 24x12.
So a lot more of those bigger
your
lifted
truck
applications.
Sizes, yep.
And fairly simple as far as the design goes. It's really the milling on these that makes it a little more intricate. On the chrome finish,
it's more chunky, it seems.
Yeah, it looks like a thicker, chunkier spoke, and then when you go to the black and milled, it kind of does narrow it out a little bit because they taper back, kind of have this sickle or scythe kind of design
and
to
then
it.
Covered caps, so they're going to be dual drilled, which keeps the price down as well because you're not making all of your bolt patterns.
But it's not an ugly cap. Even though it has a scorpion on it that some people don't like, I really don't mind the design of it.
Yeah. It's pretty clean. And then around the outside, you see kind of what TIS Off-Road and a lot of the other companies like that are doing with their cast wheels. They're just kind of embossing it into the whole thing, but you'll notice that even on the black one, it's not milled. It's embossed, but then painted over, so it doesn't stand out too much.
So those are the new wheels from MOTIV. If you want to check them out, we'll throw the links down in the description below. Otherwise, all the other wheels are already on the website. Should be good to go. We'll try to keep those updated as much as possible for you guys. Check them out at customoffsets.com.
That's all I got for you.
Peace.